In the fourth part, we are going to interpret the topo sheets with its details. Look at the topo sheet shown there. We are watching the details in and out of the margins given there. There are some basic informations about the topo sheets outside the margin and some physical and cultural factors inside the margin. The interpretation of a topo sheet is based on three different stages. Look at the screen. These three different stages are: one, marginal information or primary information; second, physical or natural features; and the third is cultural and man made features. Let's discuss one by one. First, the marginal or primary information. Look at the screen. The general information given outside the margins in topographic map is known as marginal or primary information. It gives the details of name of the area, topo sheet number, latitudes and longitudes, value of northings and eastings, scale of the map, contour interval, years of survey and publication, and the agency in charge of the survey are the marginal informations. Watch the screen. There is a worksheet for you. Write the details in your notebook. Don't forget to get help from your textbook to get its details. This is another worksheet. Try to get the information from the topo sheet given. This is the second feature, that is physical feature or the natural. Water bodies such as rivers, streams, springs, etc., as well as the different landforms are the physical features in topographic maps. Keep in mind that the physical features are always natural and their locations are to be found by direction or the grid reference method. Here is another worksheet for you. Try to get answers and write in your notebook. The third step for interpreting a topographical map is cultural features or man made features. Settlements, different types of the roads, boundaries, places of worship, agricultural lands, post office, police station, bridges, wells, and tube wells are a few cultural features shown in topo sheets, and their location also can be found based on direction or the grid reference method. Here is another worksheet for you, and you should refer your textbook. When you complete all the worksheets given, you will reach at the end of the chapter. Thank you. Thank you very much.